wreath aisle, and they literally took all the bunches of Christmas ribbon they had and like ditched them. They're not here at all. All the little dollar ones, all gone. It's crazy. It's like they sold them off already to like wholesalers. So I can imagine what tomorrow's gonna bring. And they have signs up that they're not making anything else. So I don't know what they're gonna do. They sell these lighted boxes, which are really cute. Changing the toilet paper will not cause brain damage. Interesting. But they have them. They have a cute little snowman. And they have their bow display. And it says as of 10/3, they will no longer be accepting any floral orders, including bow making. But the lines are crazy in here. Like, ridiculous. So they still have big mesh. They got my favorite mesh, which is the window pane. Actually, most of their mesh is my favorite. I need y'all to be on the lookout for anything cheap. Please holler at your girl. Send it to me. Hit me up on my email. I got you. I'll PayPal you. But a lot of the ribbon, especially Christmas ribbon, is gone. And ironically, they were trying to sell, I guess they had it in the back. These are the bomb.com, minus the green ones in the back. Who knew? This is effectively how you do not wreath. Just saying. Alright. I'm running back where I was. I'll be back in a little bit.